frigid weather, sleet and hail, snow and sleet and winds that wail, I beckon thee from me to you. Unleash, unleash, oh storm I brew.
This storm came out of nowhere, Chief.
Stormella. Someone must have crossed her bridge.
Yeah.
See what happens when you leave a rescue mission to amateurs?
Slyly! You need the dungeon key to get us out. It's around Stormella's neck.
Ah, nuts! How do I get myself into these things?
What are you doing?
Stealing the key to the dungeon. Now go back to sleep.
Oh, all right. Toodles.
What do you know? This truth thing really works. Let's get out of here!
Stealing the key to my dungeon?
That one.
This one!
Follow slyly.
Quick, let's go back.
I do and do and do for you kids. And this is the thanks I get?
Naughty, naughty.
Who shall I freeze first? How about you, Zoey Doey?
Leave her alone!
tutored Thomas crossly. You are causing confusion and delay. You really are horrid.
And what are you gonna do about it? Whoa! Oh! Hey, help me! Help me! Oh, 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 help! Help me! Oh, help me! Help me!
Grab onto my antlers and I'll pull you up.
I'm scared.
Do it, now!
Oh, you just saved my life.
Well, I couldn't let you fall, could I?
Well, no, you couldn't. Well, you couldn't let me fall. You're right. So, well, you're free to go. Consider us even, Steven.
Not until he gets his wish.
Wish? What wish?
He saved your life. Now you owe him a wish. Those are the rules of the North Pole.
The fox is correct, madam. Those are the rules.
You mean I get a wish? Anything I want?
Well, don't stand there like a deer caught in the headlights.
I want you to be nice.
What kind of wish is that?
But Rudolph, you can have anything you want.
Yeah, Red. Come on. Think bigger.
You only got one wish, little buddy.
I got it. Rudy. How about a normal nose, huh? Well, see, that's what you always wanted, right? Say the word and it's yours, child.
I want you to be nice.
Come on, kid, pick something else.
I want you to be nice.
The North Pole's about to get awfully dull. Melt away, oh heart of ice. You heard me right. Make me nice. Ooh, cute little penguin.
someone change her back, please?
But you don't look any different.
But I have changed Rudolph. On the inside.
Okay, now call off the storm.
Well, if only I could.
Huh?
Once I unleash the storm, it's got to run its natural course. I'm afraid it's out of my hands. Use my bridge. It's the shortest way home. Oh, and Merry Christmas!